Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl OnlyOnyie, and in today's video I have a huge, I just felt like Donald Trump doing this. He ruined this for everybody. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl OnlyOnyie, and in today's video I have a huge H&M haul. So this season of Black Friday shopping, I decided to give myself $600 for my 26th birthday, okay? I just felt like I really needed to revamp my closet so I can give you guys the content that you deserve. Even though we can't go nowhere, I can't show the clothes nowhere, but you guys will see it. And honestly, that's what matters. So I really went in, and it wasn't just at H&M. I got myself some stuff from Nasty Gal, some Misguided, some thrifted pieces. So we really went ham this holiday season for myself, okay? And if you guys want to see what I picked up, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss those videos. All right, I'm just saying, I got some heat, all right? And for very low, you guys might be wondering, why so far away? Don't worry, sis, I got you, okay? I'm gonna have a little clone of me here on the side, okay, trying on the clothes so you guys can see it up close. So let's bring her in. There she is. Ain't she so cute? Okay, so now that I have my little mini me over here, we're gonna continue on with this haul. Let's go. So at H&M, I really went ham, and that's because this holiday season, they had 40% off your entire purchase. I think it was like 30% off if you had their membership thing, and then additional 10% if you signed up. So I did the sign up, and I got the additional 10% on top of that. Made 10 plus 30 is 40. So it really allowed me to knock down some of the price. Everything that I got here from H&M was $145, and I had over 13 pieces. Where they do that at, tell me. So my thought process when I go into H&M is check the clearance rack first. That's just me. I'm Nigerian, I'm cheap, okay? I check the males and the females rack first before I start going around the other store. And a lot of the times I feel like H&M duplicates their items. So you really don't need to be shopping at the non-discounted areas. You get what I'm saying? Only clone, are you ready? All right, sis, let's just jump in this video, okay? I did pick up a lot of white pieces, so we're just gonna bang those out right now because they all are pretty similar, but they all have their different purposes, of course, duh. So the first white item that I picked up was this linen top right here. I picked this up because white linen is just a staple in everybody's closet. This is just vacation vibes when we're allowed to leave the house. This will definitely be coming in my suitcase. I love that the v-neck is just very subtle. The girls come out just a little bit, and you can just wear these kind of tops with like shorts or some Bermuda pants or on top of your bathing suit. So they're very versatile. I also picked another one up, but this one is a button down. The qualities of these shirts are really nice. I got this one in an extra large. I will leave the sizes and the price down below. Is this actual linen though? That's my question. Is it real linen? Yeah, 55% linen, 45% cotton. Really nice finds for really good prices on these. Just super good vacation tops. Love those. For my next item here, I got this white button down top. The quality of this is really good. It's 100% cotton, folks, and it was $18.99. Original price was $24.99, and for that price you can't beat it. Like, it fits really nice. I decided to get a large because I wanted that slouchy oversized look. In trend right now is putting corsets on top of button downs like this, and I really like that look. It just brings a little bit of sexiness to a very like business casual look. So I love the fit of this. It looks really good. It's just working it, okay? So we're gonna continue on with the white slash cream things that I purchased, and I picked up this oversized sweater. Winter's here, baby. Like, we need to be comfortable, we need to be warm. And I really don't have anything like this. Oversized sweaters, anything, are so easy to style. You can throw this on with a blazer, which I picked up 2 of them from H&M. You can put it with some high knee boots. You can also put it with some jean jackets. They're just a really good versatile thing to have in your closet. That will look like you tried but you didn't. I did get this in an extra large. I was afraid that it was gonna look too oversized, especially because the fitting rooms are closed, so you don't know until you get home. But as you guys can see, it looks really good. Beautiful. So over on top of that, like I said, you can add blazers on top of it. And I picked up this blazer in this, I don't even know what color is this, taupe gray, I don't know what color, but this really nice ash gray taupe color, just nice color in general. Their blazers are slightly padded, so it still gives you that structured look without giving you like that sharp 80s, 90s look that they were doing back then. So really nice on, and it looks so good on top of that sweater, paired up with some chunky sneakers or some heels with your cute little purse, and you have a look. So I also picked up another blazer. This blazer is in a nice coffee cream color. The fabric of this is giving me very linen vibes, so it gives it a more casual, laid back look. Just a great piece to layer for casual or non-casual looks. Again, this is also a little padded. It gives you a little bit of structure, but not too much. Really love this piece as well. Next piece that I picked up was this denim jacket. I really wasn't looking for a white denim jacket. Never thought I needed one until I saw this one. I was like, ooh, I kind of need it. Don't know how I would style it, honestly. I don't really see white denim jean jackets much, but I just felt like I had to have it because it was $17.99 on top of the 40% off. I was just like, why not? It will be a challenge for me to style this. I do like the fit of it. It's very cozy. Again, another great piece to layer on top of the winter, especially if you're not a jacket person, you don't like the restrictions of a jacket. These are really good to put on when you have like a long sleeve like this, and then on top of that a sweater, and then you put this on top and it look like you tried but you didn't. Quality of it, again, H&M nailed it. Beautiful. I picked up another jean jacket, and this one again is giving me that like 80s 90s vibe, especially in the back where it has like this scrunching back here and that acid wash denim look. Such a nice denim jacket. The quality feels so good. H&M, when they really come, when they really try, they really try. Like, this looks and feels so nice on. Love the fit, love the size. Everything looked nice. So I did end up finding a pair of jeans at H&M, which is very rare for me because H&M is not tall girl friendly for some reason. But these ones are flared. I think these are called their mini flared. Love that flared jeans are back in style because skinny jeans were cute for a while, but like flared jeans really help you give you that hourglass figure. Like, you see it? Do you see it? I see it. But it really helps give you that hourglass figure because it adds more of a shape. The only problem with these is I can't wear them with heels, but I can wear them with any like low flat shoes. Buying jeans at H&M for tall girls is a very big hit or miss. I'm sure by like maybe a couple of washes this will shrink and I wouldn't be able to wear it anymore. However, they weren't that expensive. They were $10.99, so not too bad at all, and I think it looks really good. All right, so the next item I picked up is the sweatpants in this cream color. I don't know, H&M was on this NASA trip for a long time, which I don't particularly care for. However, the placement of this is really smart. These were $8. These were $8 plus the 40% off, and they're so comfortable and they look really, really expensive. I just love the clearance rack, I'm telling you guys. So I've been trying to be a big girl as of lately. I'm 26 now, so I need a little bit more skirts in my closet. And not no mini skirts, you know, nice long skirts that go below the knee or just slightly above for a little scandalousness. So I picked up this skirt. So nice. I'm so happy this print is back. The hound print, I think. I'm so happy that print is back because I do think it's super flattering on the body. One of those things I can wear high-waisted, put a nice little white top on, some heels, and I'll look really like put together. The quality of these pants are superb. I realize H&M has like, it's like teen area, then it has this trendy area, and then it has this business section. The business section is where it's at for the quality, okay? The quality over there is really, really nice. So for the price, I just had to get it. This is a skirt that you can really make chic. It's all in just how you do it, okay? The next item that I picked up was this brown turtleneck long sleeve shirt. Love this. This is so up my alley, so my vibe. I really love the texture on this shirt. It's so nice. And it also has like a little slit at the sleeve, at the end of the sleeve. It gives it that bell bottom kind of look. So it's giving me very 80s vibe, very at home mom. Zipper in the back here, so you have space to put your little big old head in. The original price was $34.99. Jeez, girl, I got this for $12.99 plus the 40. Anyways, this is me in a shirt. The next things I picked up were a few basics. The first one is this white basic top. Nothing really to say about this. The quality is really nice. It's super stretchy and it has that rib fabric look to it, but it's really nice, fits really good, and you know, you can't go wrong with a nice white basic top. I got another basic top, and it's this black one here. I really like how the V-neck sits on this one. I think it looks really good, and it doesn't show too much of the girls, you know what I mean? So love her. Like I said, I go into the men's section as well. In the men's section, I saw this Jaws t-shirt. Never seen the movie, sis. The reason why I picked this up is because I like the color wave of this top. I think you can really do some interesting pairings with this. I think it fits really good. It's just one of those shirts that you can really do a lot with because of the color wave. So I really like this one. I picked up this olive tone t-shirt, very oversized. This was an extra large. This was $6.99. The reason why I picked this up because I just, you know, the days where you just don't want clothes on your skin like that, but you still want to be a little bit cute. This is definitely one of those vibes. You can pair it up with some like mom jeans, or you know, you can do a lot with these things. It's a really good piece, feels really nice, love it. Again, another basic piece. We're just gonna rush right through these ones. I got this mauve t-shirt. Just like a nice little basic. Again, throw it on with some jeans and you can run out the house, you know, but casual. So I picked up another black t-shirt from their Divided line. H&M's Divided line is very, very nice. Like the quality is sickening. And I just heard that their Divided line are more for the teens. Bro, I don't care, man. If that's the quality that they're giving teens, I'm gonna wear the teens clothes, okay? The last piece that I got from H&M is this dress. Completely out of my zone. However, I just think it's so high fashion, especially if it's done right. It makes this paper bag sound, which is not the most appealing, but pair this with like a very nice belt, some booties, or some heels, or whatever you want to pair it with. It will look really good. I'm so excited to actually go somewhere with this dress. It can be used for so many occasions, okay? I really love the fit of it. It looks good. I love it with the belt. I don't know where she's gonna go with it, but she's gonna go somewhere soon, hopefully. So that is it from H&M. I did pick up 2 items from Windsor that I want to show you guys just really quickly. Just add a little bonus in there. I picked up this gray tank. This is a bodysuit tank, which is nice. It's good for tucking into your clothes. Cutout has a nice little side boobage going on that I really appreciate. She's really cute. And then the last item is this cheetah printed dress that has a slit on the side. I've just come to realize that I love animal print. I just do. I'm one of those girls that just can't get away with a little bit of animal print in her closet. But I think this dress would be a really nice dress for layering under long sleeve shirts, sweaters. You can put tops on top of it and just rock the bottom half. It's a very versatile slit dress. Love how it looks. The slit kind of goes a little bit too much in the center, which I don't really appreciate, but definitely something to work with, and it was only $7, so I was like, why not? I almost forgot, I also picked up some shoes from H&M as well. The first pair that I got were these little booties. These little booties are a staple for everybody's closet. You can really easily pair them with some of your more dressier fits. These kind of booties are so easy to style. I think they're an essential for everybody's closet. They have these gold zipper detailing on the side, just very clean and classy. H&M booties are really nice as well. They're not like Forever 21 where they feel like the soles of the feet will just get to talking. They're very well structured. Love how they look on. I also got these on the sales rack. These were a size 9. If you're 8.5, 9, you know that finding shoes on sale that are nice in our size is like a Christmas miracle, okay? When I saw them, I was just like, for me, God? For me? Thank you. Like, so nice. And I also found the ones I'm about to show you on the sales rack as well. These were $30.99 plus a 40% off, and they are these more chunkier booties with a higher heel. Again, these are boots that can be easily styled with any outfit to make it just a little bit more dressy. What I really love about these boots is that they're furry inside, like not just the ankle area, like all the way inside. Like you're told, like these are some UGG boots, but not really. Like they're so warm. Love that. I ended up buying those two boots at the same time. I think those were like 18 or not even. Those were like $13, the other boots, and plus this one. Plus I had returned something. The overall total cost of like these two boots were $20 with my return, like $28 if I didn't return a thing. That is insane. Like two boots for under $20 that are like good quality. So that was everything I got at H&M. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I hope you enjoyed the way I did this with my little mini-me clone. If you guys like the way I did this haul, give me a thumbs up so I can know if I should do it again, if I should try something different. But the OnlyOnyie clone definitely came in handy because I didn't have to get up and try any of this, which is nice. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share all of that good stuff if you enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.